Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is going to be repair day because I plastered it the other day. I've rubbed it all down all around by the sides where it met the wall, and it's come out atrocious. It looks terrible. So I'm going to be kind of showing you how to get around this problem, because what happened, like the bag of plaster was out of date. I checked it, and when I was putting it on, it dried instantly in places and I couldn't take it off, got lumpy, and I just got in all sorts of trouble. So I did the best I could, hoped for the best, and kind of knew what I was going to end up with, which is a bad wall. So I've gone and got some polyfiller, guys. I've got this stuff, which is a joke. Thank you, darling. You may go now. Right, I've got this stuff here, polyfiller. All-purpose polyfiller. What are you laughing at? Do you want one? Do you want one?
I'm going to brush my hair.
You're going to brush your hair?
Yeah.
Why?
In shot.
It was in shot, was it? Right, let's dig some holes out. Let's dig some lines out. I noticed on the video that I had a stress line here. And I'm just going to dig it out. Just keep going until I'm happy with this wall. Eesh. Making a mess. Don't matter what you do, because I'm going to be repairing it all, guys. Right, I'm going to take you for a close-up. You're gonna think I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm going to be honest with you, guys. If you look at this, I don't know if it's going to show it up, but as you get up to the top, it gets really bad and bobbly. I went too nutty on the plastering. The lines are pretty good where it's married up to the wall. Just needs a tiny little bit of repairing, and it bubbled in one place, which is half expected. I mean, I'm quite pleased with that. Only one little bubble's come up. So I just need to like repair this wall, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to go about it, guys. Yeah, the thing is about this wall is that it's a busy wall, meaning that it's going to have set of dresser like cupboards down at the bottom, down there, about 5 foot wide, and it's going to have a 55-inch telly, so it's going to hide most of this. I can get away with it. Now, if this wall was on show and you walked into a room, I'd replaster this wall because it's not good enough. But because it's just a wall that's facing the bed, and like I say, it's a busy wall, you'll get away with it, guys. So what I'm going to do now, look at the size of this. What a joke. I saw a picture of it in Screwfix. I thought, yeah, that's the one I normally get. And now I'm lumbered with this stupid thing. I'm going to cut out anything that I'm not happy with. Just go around and cut it out, guys, and just be delicate. Because what will happen, because it's a live edge, it'll just keep on going back and back and back. So you'll never, once it starts peeling, you've had it. So all I'm going to do is just kind of chamfer it back in now, and it's back to being solid again. That's all you've got to do. I don't know if that's the SBR coming off. And a thing like this, guys, I'll zoom in, hopefully, on the editing tool. I'm just going to cut around this. Obviously, be careful. I'm just going to peel this away. That's it. again. Just chamfer it off, guys. Make sure that the edges that's lovely. Lovely. Overkill really, it does make, like I say, you're not going to see this wall. So I've got that. And all I've got to do now is just walk around and just repair a few of these cracks. Right, what I purchased off of Temu, I'll tell you what, it's fantastic. It's these. Get loads of them, all the plastic ones, kind of throw away. You can use them quite a few times, guys. Couple of quid from Temu, which is going to be perfect for me. So let me put a bit of filler onto these and off we go. Right, I forgot to say also what I want to do, because this is like back to the bare plaster, guys. I'm just going to, this one and this one, I'm just going to put a bit of SPR in it, yeah? Just dab it in there. Belt braces. I mean, I know I go on about it, but what was this? This was a tenner for poxy little crappy brushes. The price of things. It's an absolute disgrace. You know you're getting old when you can't open one of these. I ain't got the strength for that. What? Let me put my weight on it. Sam! Come and open this for me. Oh, I can't do it. Right, here we go. Number one's here. Here you go.
What opening?
That there, you got to pull down. You've got to push down. I can't get a grip on it.
Oh my god.
I opened it yesterday. You can't do it today.
Done.
Well done.
A bosh.
Thank you, boy.
I'll come there for a dance. No, I'm doing the same.
I'll play later on, mate.
I'll be back later on.
Well, if you won't, mate, you're in the back, you're in the back. Just need a tiny bit over the surfaces, guys. I don't wonder what to do with that. Okay. Done. Oh dear. Get your sponge and wipe off around the edges, because you don't really want that SPR on the wall now, because it kind of dries up like, well, it is a glue, isn't it, but you don't want it affecting the paint. Right, that's done, guys. Next job. Next job is the filler. Did I tell you? 13 quid for this. Daylight robbery. That's what that is. So call yourself daylight robbery. What do you reckon, guys? What I'm going to try and do is look after these. I know they're only cheap, but they come in handy. I figure that one's about the right size for what I need. And I'm just going to do some filling. I'm probably going to have to give this 2 fills. Well, no, I am. Let's go with the bigger one. It's all about finding the right one. There we go. I don't want to keep going over this. I'm overkill, but I can't stop myself. Looking a lot better already. Now I could go over this whole wall now and get my plastering tools out and get it, because it's a bit wavy like I say because it was lumpy, but I don't want to do that. One, it's going to cost me 13 quid to do it because it will use up the whole tin of this filler, and I do not want to do that, do I? I know I've got the brackets going there, I'm just being stupid. Let's give this a go. Just got to find any little thing that you're not happy with now. Looking better already. Yeah, I'm a lot happier with that. Beauty about this stuff is that it dries in 15 minutes. I'm just going to give this a quick blast with this. Shouldn't really do it, but it's so dusty in here now that I don't really care. Would help if I put the sandpaper on it. Right, I've got an old piece on here because I don't want it to be too severe, but I should have got maybe a less coarse one, but it'll do. Like I say, it's old, so it gives me half a chance. Hopefully I've saved it a bit. I'm just going to spot patch this now. It's very important that you spot patch it all over these things, because if I just give it 2 coats now, there's a danger of this bleeding through all where I've filled. So I'm just going to spot patch all these bits, let it go off, and then give the wall 2 coats, and that's it, it's finished. It's good enough. I'm hoping that's going to look better now. Looks better already. Yep, let's get the brush and the paint, and let's get this done. Dust off the surface. getting to the point where I can't be bothered now. Very dusty. This was the worst offender over here, and that seems to have done the trick. It's not great, but it's better. It'll do. Alright. I want to know if I can live with that. I'm not happy about that. What are you doing?
Looking at you. You're so amazing today.
This is no nibs or bits on the wall. Sand it down to an inch of its life. And what'll happen, I'll put a nice big generous coating of with the roller. But that's bugging me. Bugging me. Yeah. I can guarantee if I take all this out, I'm going to have big problems. What do I do? What do I do? Don't know what to do. Like I say, telly's going to cover it all, so I leave it. It is 10 times better though. 10 times better. I know there's a lump there. That needs rubbing down. If anything, it needs taking out. I should take that out and repair it, but I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to repair these last little ones, because this is going to take me late into the evening now, because it's I'm coming up here at like 10-15 minutes at a time, and it's just the waiting game now, isn't it? I've got to wait for it to dry. One here. What do I do here, guys? What do I do? Leave it like that. There you go. That's it. I'm not touching it anymore. I lied. My boy's just got back from skiing and he wants to go to bed. So he's in our bed tonight. Or he's in our bed now, should I say. Okay, well that's that done. I'm going to give it another 20 minutes, come back, spot patch them. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 bits that I wasn't happy with. Glad that I've done it. And then we're going to roll the wall and it's all done. I need to walk around with a broom and dust all these walls down there, because I've got this dust everywhere. It's a bit of a nightmare now. Maybe it's not the right old job. But yeah, that's starting to look alright now. And there we have it, guys, all finished. And to tell you the truth, I'm not happy with it. It's a foul. Nil point I'll give myself. Really what I should do now is fibre mesh this wall and replaster it. But my boy's already back from holiday, he's put all his gear in here and you can't move again, so it's going to have to do. But thank God for 50-inch tellies, because it's going to be going on this wall, you won't even see it. So yeah, should really retitle this this vlog as how not to do it. But there you go. I should have stopped when I got that plaster on the wall. I should have stopped and gone and got a new bag of plaster, or took that one back and complained, because it's just giving me nothing but aggro. And you probably can't see how bad it is, guys, but it is bad. But it'll do for now. When he moves out, he's 25. When he moves out in 10 years' time, probably, I'll be probably too old to do it then, but whatever. I'll have to just put the telly on it and forget about it. But it is bugging me at the moment. And there you go, problem solved. Thank God for big TVs, eh? It'll do for now. Right, on to the next one.